Hi, I'm Patty Hasmer, and today I'm going to go over the periodic table. Number 10 is neon. So if you were working on the periodic table, this would be a good lesson to teach students how to make a glow stick for Halloween or a glow jar. I made mine with a big bottle. Anyways, neon light, how to make a water bottle glow in the dark. It's a way for them to remember on the periodic table. Number 10 is neon. All you need is empty water bottle, hydrogen peroxide, highlighter markers. You could get different colors. It doesn't have to be, yellow. This is just yellow and it looks green when it's glowing. A flashlight or a light to shine on the water bottles. Okay, so the water bottle was empty. I filled it about halfway. I did the same for I have an Overweiss empty bottle, so I put half water, and then I used about a quarter of a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Well, hydrogen peroxide, I like to always tell the kids so that they know, like if they use this as a glow stick, kind of, if they use a flashlight behind it or their phone, I always tell them a little bit about hydrogen peroxide, because hydrogen peroxide, I know when I was a kid, kids used to put it in their hair and it kind of bleaches it. It'll be like a dye. It'll dye your hair like orange, not blonde. Anyways, hydrogen peroxide could be used for like cuts and wounds, and you put that on there. That's a home remedy, but you should not drink it. So my suggestion is when you're finished with this, use masking tape to put over the top so that it stays closed. Anyways, half a thing of water and just a capful or two of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, and just be careful. That's what I'm telling you about the hydrogen peroxide. If you spill it, let it be where you could wipe it up. I'm putting it on, I might give it a little bit more, so maybe two capfuls. Okay, let's do 2. And these are good. I mean, I'll put this out in front and leave it, and probably up until, I don't know, a couple weeks for outside for Halloween. Anyways, hydrogen peroxide, make sure that you wash your hands afterwards. And then you're gonna need some highlighters. What you're gonna do is actually take the inside of the highlighter out, and I pre-opened these, so have your parents do that part either with a knife and just kind of pull the cap off and pull it out. Okay, and then what I do, I usually take paper towels. Don't forget paper towels. I usually squeeze a highlighter into the bottle. Okay, you're probably going to get some on your hands and you have to wash it. Okay, squeeze it in. When I taught STEM, we did this in class. It was so messy. Anyways, something you could do with your family. And if you are a teacher working on the periodic table, it's one way to get them to remember certain elements. Okay, so you probably just need 1 for the water bottle. That would probably be enough. If you wanted to mix, like this is just yellow, let's try green with this one. I had the cap off almost, there we go. Oh. Green and yellow, see how it looks. The pack I bought of highlighters had blue and pink, so you can make different colors too if you want, okay? Another thing you can do to kind of get kids have an idea of what they are drinking, what their food is colored with different things. I know their food's not colored with highlighter, but if you do this, say you didn't, I don't know, if you just wanted to use Mountain Dew instead of the water, you do Mountain Dew and hydrogen peroxide, and it'll still glow. Oh, yes. Okay. So when you're done with that, put the cap on. usually shake it up. And then, like I said, I would tape this so a kid doesn't think it's cooling. And then what you would do is just, put a flashlight behind it. A lot of times for these, I would buy the round, flashlights, the circle one, and then you can tape it on there so that it'll just stay on there in the back or underneath it, because it looks kind of neat too when it's underneath it, okay? And I would just have it like out on your porch, or you want to carry it around and make it look like you have this huge glow stick, right? It does do better if you keep it in the cold, so if you keep it outside, it'll last longer. All right. If you like my channel, please subscribe, and thank you.